Hello. Let's move on to the next factory. Rayrun Technology. Is it one Daniel? Is that one? Is that here? Daniel. Rayrun.
Yes.
Yeah,
Hi,
yeah.
hello.
Hi,
I'm
hi.
Daniel from Rayrun. Hi.
Yeah, hi. I see your domestic Factorytour is a beautiful lady.
Yeah. It's with my colleague Chris, a
Yeah,
beautiful
okay.
lady.
Okay. Thank you
Yeah.
for waiting us for so long.
Uh,
Okay. Yeah, you can have a introduction of your products.
okay. Uh, Rayrun is a professional air controller manufacturer in Shenzhen, and our main products are the constant voltage air controllers with different solutions from traditional IF, Tuya Wi-Fi, Bluetooth Mesh, and Zigbee. It can drive all kinds of constant voltage LED products, such as the constant voltage LED strip, LED panel, or the LED module. And here I'd like to introduce our most sale and the entry-level LED controller series to you. You can see this is our mini series LED controllers. The great feature of this series products is that the housing is very compact.
Very compact.
Yes, it's very compact. So, which means it's very easy for to install and conceal. For most applications, user will use it in the cabinet, kitchen lights, or other commercial lighting. So, with a compact size, it's very user friendly for their installation. And even the housing is very small. The output power is big enough for most applications. For this, it's a single color LED controller, and the output current is 5 amps, which means if you connect with 12 watt LED strips, it can drive 60 wattage LED strips. And in every series of our LED controllers, we have different models from single color, durable white, RGB, and RGB plus white. With a very slim, with a very slim remote controller, wireless remote, it's very easy for daily use. User can make the on-off control and dimming up and dimming down, and also can set some dynamic mode. So, and for our remote controller, we also have the remote holder option. It's very easy. Convenient for user to fix it on the wall or on the table. So user won't lost their remote in their daily use. And this is the basic and entry level LED controllers. I'll show you if customer feel like. Sorry, I'll move my smartphone. Okay. And here you can see we also have the Tuya Wi-Fi series LED controllers, which means.
Yeah, Daniel, can you? Yeah. Now it's better. Yeah.
Okay. Is it clearly?
Yeah, it's okay now.
Yeah. So user can use their connect with their Wi-Fi router and use their smartphone or the wireless remote to make daily use.
Mm-hmm.
And also the Bluetooth mesh, the Casambi series controllers. I don't know if you know the Casambi company before. It's a very famous company.
Casambi.
Casambi, yes.
Yeah, and this
very famous.
Also in
you know this company? Yeah.
Italy, is that right?
It's a company from Finland.
Oh, Finland. Sorry, Finland. Yeah.
Their founder is from the Nokia Bluetooth department, and they dedicated to make their Bluetooth mesh protocol. So it's very popular in the high-end market, especially in Europe countries like England and Italy.
I have the opportunity to know their director. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We are the first company in domestic to got their license and make all kinds of air controllers and Casambi driver, DALI controller, and constant voltage driver. Okay. And we also have our own Bluetooth mesh solutions. It's called Yumi Smart. The Bluetooth solution is very popular in the smartphone applications now because user can use the remote smartphone or the wall panel anywhere to control their devices, especially the light applications. And the great feature of the Bluetooth mesh is that user can use one remote or wall panel or smartphone to control as many devices as they can in the same time, and all the devices can be totally synchronized. It's very useful in some specific applications.
Mm-hmm.
I can show you. You can see. Oh, not this one. If I pair this controller to this wall panel. Oh, maybe I'll try another one. Okay, I'll show this remote. You can see it's totally synchronized. And
it both can dim by the panel and also can dim by the controller.
Yes. For daily use, I think the wall panel and the remote is very easy and convenient. And for some details setup, user can use their smartphones to like making some timing play or some simple programs.
How about the area? How large of the area?
It's up to 15 meters.
15 meters.
One side. Yes.
Yeah, 15 meters. Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
And here you can see we also make the Zigbee 3.0 solutions. It's also it's also the air controller solutions too. With the Zigbee 3.0 technology, it can work. It's compatible with most of the gateways in the market, such as the Philips Hue, Alexa, any smartphone devices. So It's very convenient for our and the users.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all kinds of audio controllers, and another great feature of our audio controller is that it has the full protection function, which means it can protect the whole lighting system when the controller is under overheat, overload, output short circuit, and wrong wiring. It will stop work and protect the whole lighting system and recover to work when the working condition is good.
Yeah, it's great for the overload. Yeah, very interesting. Yeah.
So you know, so all our air controllers, we can offer 5 years warranty.
Yeah. Warranty, how many years?
5 years.
5 years.
Yes.
Oh, 5 years is enough because now the electronic product goes very quickly.
Yeah.
And most of your products sell by the how to say do you ever try to sell by the e-commerce channel like the Amazon?
We use the Alibaba platform, but most of the sales based on the B2B, and we
B2B.
sell to we sell to this wholesaler or the brand manufacturer. And we can also offer the OEM and ODM to most customers.
Oh, okay. So the fair is also important for you, your company.
Safety
is also very, Thank you very much. Daniel. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay. We want to see your new product in the fair.
See you there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.